Good morning, students. In today's English class, we will learn lesson 28. The heading is questions and answers. What and who? What is the meaning of what? What is the meaning of what? What means yeah. Okay? And what is the meaning of who? The meaning of who is calm. Okay? The meaning of what is yeah and who means calm.
For examples, what is that? What is that? That is a spoon. Number 2, what is your name? My name is Manish. This boy is saying, my name is Manish. Number 3, what are the children doing? What are the children doing? The children are skating. The children are skating. Number 4, who is he? Who is he? He is Yash, or you can say he is a boy. Number 5, who are those men? Who are those men? Those men are policemen. Those men are policemen. Number 6, who is keeping a rope? Anusha is keeping a rope. Anusha is keeping a rope. Students, now let us have some activities. Number 1, read the questions and answers given below. Choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the sentences. So you have to choose the correct option, correct word, and which word is correct, that you have to tick mark, and which word is wrong, that you have to cross it out. Alright? Good. Number A. Who or what are they? Which word is correct? Who. Who are they? वे लोग कौन हैं? The answer is they are my friends. वे लोग मेरे दोस्तों हैं. वे लोग मेरे मित्र हैं. Number B. What or who is she doing? Which is the correct word? What. Okay. What is she doing? वह क्या कर रही है? Then the answer is she is telling a story. वह एक कहानी बता रही है. Number C. What or who is this? Which is the correct word? What. What is this? यह क्या है? Then the answer is this is a box. यह एक बक्सा है. D. Who or what is he? Which is the correct word? Who or what? Who. Who is he? वह कौन है? Then the answer is he is Rohan. वह रोहन है. Number 2. Read the questions and answers given below. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay. Number A. Dash is this. What will you write here? What will you use? What? Yes, what is this? This is a story. Number B. Dash is he. What will you use? Who? Who is he? He is Rohan. Number C. Dash is he doing? What will you write? What will you use? What is he doing? He is studying. Then the answer is he is studying. D. Number D. Dash is playing in the park. Which is the correct word? Which word will you use? Who? Who is playing in the park? Then the answer is Riya is playing in the park. Students, I hope that you understood this lesson. Isn't it?
Students, now we will study next lesson, lesson 29. Here also, we will study about questions and answers. When and where. Now tell me, what is the meaning of when? W-H-E-N. When. What is the meaning of when? When means come. Alright? And what is the meaning of where? W-H-E-R-E. Where means kahan. Did you follow?
For examples, number 1. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. This boy is saying, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Number 2. When do they have their lunch? When do they have their lunch? They have their lunch at 2 o'clock. They have their lunch at 2 o'clock. Number 3. When do these boys play cricket? These boys play cricket in the evening. These boys play cricket in the evening. Number 4. Where is Mrs. Sen? Mrs. Sen is in the market. Mrs. Sen is in the market. Number 5. Where are the rabbits? The rabbits are in the garden. The rabbits are in the garden. Number 6. Where is the baby sleeping? The baby is sleeping in the cot. The baby is sleeping in the cot. Now let us have some activities. Number 1. Read the questions and answers given below. Choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the sentences. Here also we have to choose the correct word and mark it, and which word is wrong that you have to cross it out. Alright. Number A. When or where is Mrs. Gupta working? Which is the correct word? Where. Where is Mrs. Gupta working? Then the answer is Mrs. Gupta is working in the office. Number B. When or where do your grandparents sleep? Which word is correct? When. When do your grandparents sleep? Then the answer is my grandparents sleep at 10 o'clock at night. Number C. When or where is Mr. right? Which word is correct? Where. Where is Mr. Rai? Answer is Mr. Rai is in the market. Number D. When or where do you go for your dance class? Which word is correct? When. When do you go for your dance class? Then the answer is I go for my dance class in the evening. Okay. Number 2. Read the questions and answers given below. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Number A. Where do you live? Which word will you use? Where. Where do you live? Then the answer is I live in the city. Okay? Or you can say I live in Mirzapur. Number B. Dash do you come back from school? Which word will you use? When. When do you come back from school? Then the answer is I come back from school in the afternoon. Number C. Dash are the children studying? Which word will you use? Where. Where are the children studying? Then the answer is the children are studying in a classroom. Number D. Dash do you go to play basketball? Which word will you use here? When. When do you go to play basketball? Then the answer is I go to play basketball in the morning. Isn't it? Children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Okay?